DarkWeb. Welcome to my tutorial on how to access the dark web. Hang on a second. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can access the dark web. What is the dark web? The dark web is an interconnected layer, interconnected node of the internet. So it actually runs on the Tor browser. So for you to get the Tor browser downloaded, you can go to the Tor browser, download page. So it loads up faster. So you go to the Tor browser download project. So you can download Tor browser for any one of your operating system, and wait a little bit before we proceed. Warning. Kindly cover your camera so as not to give yourself access to the hackers on the dark web. So now I've covered my camera, my webcam is covered. So you can go to Windows and download for your operating system, or probably if you're on the Mac operating system, you can probably on the Linux operating system, or probably you can download the Android version. So that is the dark web for you. So after downloading the Tor browser, for me, I've downloaded the Tor browser and I have everything set up here. So you can go back to the Tor browser here. As you can see, this is the hiddenwiki.com. You search the Hidden Wiki on the website, the hiddenwiki.com. Go to the website. This is like the Google of the dark web, because the dark web is not actually searchable, and that is why it is dark. So you can't see the dark web. You can't see the dark web on Google. So you can only see some list of websites on the Hidden Wiki. So dark web is not indexed. It's not indexed by any search engine. You can only see some list of websites, or you need to know the specific website which you're going to on the dark web. So for example, I'm going to go into a Bitcoin miner, which hopefully it loads, because the dark web contains a slow internet connection. So let's see. As you can see, this address is http whatever. So you can copy it and come over. Hopefully, yeah, it does load. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin miner on the dark web. So you can register. I advise you not to register on this. So you can copy it. As you can see this contains a list of domain name, some kind of domain name in random characters, and it also has a .onion domain. So every dark web website has a .onion inside of it, .com or .net or .whatever domain. So now you can come here to text if you can access the dark web with actually other browsers aside Tor. You can come here, come back to the Google Chrome, try to access this website on Google Chrome, and you can see that you get an error. So it says dial TCP address, whatever the address is, no suitable address found. Now you can see that you cannot access the dark web on the normal browser except with using the Tor browser. Now you're on the dark web. Now let's try to access Facebook on the dark web. Hopefully we go here to Wikipedia, we search for Facebook onion address, and we can see that on Wikipedia that we have the onion address of Facebook right here. If you click on open URL, you can open the URL and see for yourself how Facebook is loaded on the dark web. So this is facebook.com. You can log in your details. Don't get scared. It's the authentic Facebook dark web website to connect with your friends and the world around you. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more content exclusive to dark web like this. So you probably want to watch my next video. Check up in the description. Thank you.